Plans for a new county-level consumer protection unit are raising concerns by San Diego's top prosecutor. District Attorney Stephan says while she welcomes the added resources, she has questions about whether this new venture will simply duplicate the work her office is already doing. News 8's Richard Allen is here with that and how the chair of the County Board of Supervisors is responding. Richard?
Well, that's right. Now, over the years, the district attorney's office has built up a massive fund, well over $220 million and counting, in consumer protection settlements. Now, that's money that can only be used for protecting consumers. Now, County Board Chair Tara Lawson-Remer is proposing to use some of that money to launch a separate county-run consumer protection unit. It's a plan that is creating some concerns.
Our office has the premier consumer protection unit in the entire state.
Over the years, the San Diego County District Attorney's Consumer Protection Unit has taken on and won major cases against corporations like Tesla, Target, and Apple.
We have so many tools and power within our office.
Power to prosecute on both the criminal and civil levels, which no other county agency can do. So a new proposal by County Board Chair Tara Lawson-Remer to create a county-run consumer protection unit has raised questions.
This is what we're concerned about. It's not about not wanting more work to be done. We welcome it. We just want it to be an added value for people who need it out there and not a duplication of efforts.
Speaking at a town hall Wednesday, Lawson-Remer said that this county-level consumer protection unit would fill gaps in consumer protection, a gap that's widening with the dismantling of consumer protections at the federal level.
Some of the cases are cases that maybe wouldn't be prioritized by other agencies or other entities, and that would allow us to be more responsive to some of the core concerns of district residents.
Funding for the initial launch of this proposed county unit would come from hundreds of millions of dollars in funds that the DA's office has amassed over the years from other consumer protection settlements.
So long as the money is used to fill a gap as opposed to duplicate.
Money that can only be used for consumer protection purposes.
It has to be very strictly used. Any misappropriation or misuse of that money will jeopardize the whole pot of money.
In a statement, Lawson-Remer said, quote, "I greatly value and appreciate the work of the district attorney and look forward to all of us chipping in to do the work needed to protect the residents of San Diego County."
I am disappointed that the county is kind of trying to do its own thing, which is not customary. I'm used to working with people and finding a win-win solution, and the win is really for our consumers. And I'm still hoping for that, but it hasn't quite happened yet.
And Lawson-Remer says she is hopeful that the board will vote to approve her proposal sometime this spring. After that, work would get underway to find a director and to begin staffing this new county-run consumer protection unit.
So, Richard, DA Stephan says she would welcome this unit, provided it doesn't double up on the work that her office is already doing. Has she figured where those gaps could lie, where they could actually use some extra resources?
Yeah, actually, in fact, she mentioned that one gap that could be filled by the county would be sort of a consumer mediator, which for reasons of conflict of interest, the district attorney's office can't really do. So that would be along the lines of an office of consumer affairs, where residents who perhaps cannot afford an attorney on their own could get representation when they feel they've been scammed or ripped off. And we should point out we're the only county of our size in California not to have a county-run consumer protection unit. Other counties like Los Angeles have successfully already launched one.
That's what you were mentioning in your report last night.
That's right.
And so it does raise this issue to high awareness, because if we're the only county that doesn't have one,
exactly,
we need some sort, perhaps.
That's right. Yeah.
Right.
So we will see what happens. We'll see how this all plays out.
Keep following it. Thanks
all
so
right.
much, Richard.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.